It's day 2 with the Z1 Desktop CNC that Makera sent me for evaluation. And I've got one goal today. Take this blank and turn it into a circuit board. Let's see if I can pull it off. Since I'm coming from zero CNC knowledge, I started day 2 by studying up on the Makera YouTube channel. The Z1 has an example project preloaded in the machine that includes a small LED circuit board. I followed the instructions in the example guide, clamping down a blank single-sided PCB. Next up, I set an offset from the anchor point and watched as the Z probe traced the project area. Unfortunately, when it dropped to do the auto leveling, the head never stopped and the machine errored out. Makera support helped me diagnose the issue as a faulty probe by using the diagnostic menu in the controller software, and a replacement is on the way. This ended up being a blessing in disguise, as it forced me to really learn how CNCs work. I fitted the XYZ probe and learned how to set a reference point using the L bracket. At this point, I was ready to load up the engraving bit and start the project, but unfortunately I was engraving ghosts. I figured out how to set a manual Z-axis reference and started again. This time I had my hand on the emergency stop just in case the tool started to go too deep, but luckily it landed right where it was supposed to and started the first pass. I closed the lid about halfway through and was pleasantly surprised at how quiet this machine runs. This is going to be perfect for the lab. I chose not to run the dust collector as I wanted to get an idea of exactly how much dust this process generates. The engraving step didn't make much of a mess at all. Changing the tool for the next step was super easy. I used the button on the front of the unit to trigger the next pass. The drilling step created a lot more dust, so I'm excited to see how the Cyclone dust collector light handles this during my next project. I removed the board and freed it from the stock, a quick file to clean up the edges, and I've just completed my very first CNC PCB. Well, I did it, but this is just the beginning. Next up, I'm going to design my own circuit and see if I can get the Z1 to make it for me.